Greetings, church. It's Kevin. I am at the East Side Multnomah Public Library, and after a day of searching for work, actually apartments, and didn't find anything, I walked in here and I showed them this and asked them if they had found, if they had a lost and found, and lo and behold, last week when I came here, and remember I told you I went back to the stores before going to the Nazarene church. And today, for some reason or another, when I showed them this, they came and gave me this. So I'm not sure where it was back there or if somebody dropped it off. I don't know, but there it is. There was the missing piece on the 25th, and here it is back again on the 5th. So I had to wait 10 days for it. But praise God, huh?